Meaning of interactive.
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 Interactive. Interactive refers to a type of communication or technology where the user can actively engage and participate in the process. It involves a two-way exchange of information between the user and the system, allowing users to have control over their experience and providing personalized feedback based on their responses. In the context of software, interactive applications may involve graphical user interfaces, touchscreens, or voice input-output, where the user can manipulate objects and initiate actions by interacting directly with the system.